Hey everyone, want to make some extra cash from home? Who doesn't, right? Well, guess what's super popular these days? Videos. People love watching videos online, and that means you can earn money by creating them. It's true. In 2024, making videos is like printing your own money. Okay, maybe not that easy, but you get the idea. It's a fantastic opportunity. But hold on, how do you even make videos? Don't worry, I've got you covered. There's this awesome website called InVideo IO. It makes creating amazing videos super simple, even if you're a beginner. So, what's so great about InVideo IO? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone looking to create stunning videos without breaking the bank or spending countless hours learning complicated software. Imagine having a whole team of professional video editors right at your fingertips, ready to help you bring your vision to life. That's exactly what InVideo IO offers. And the best part? You get all of this without the hefty price tag that usually comes with hiring a professional team. It's incredibly affordable, making it accessible for everyone, from small business owners to hobbyists. InVideo IO provides a comprehensive suite of tools and tricks that you need to create professional-looking videos. Whether you're looking to make a promotional video, a social media post, or even a personal project, they've got you covered. The best part? It's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Even if you've never edited a video in your life, you can easily navigate InVideo IO and create something you're truly proud of. The platform is designed to make video editing accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. And guess what else? They've got this amazing AI feature that does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. This means you can focus on the creative aspects while the AI handles the more technical tasks. We'll dive into that later, but just know that creating awesome videos is about to become a whole lot easier. With InVideo IO, you can turn your ideas into reality with minimal effort and maximum impact. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, InVideo IO is your ultimate video making buddy. Ready to jump in? Great. First things first, head over to InVideo IO and create an account. Don't worry, it's as easy as ordering takeout. Just enter your email address, choose a password, and boom, you're in. They even have a free plan so you can try it out before committing. How great is that? Once you're in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's like the control center of your video making empire. You'll find all sorts of cool features and templates to play around with. All right, you're officially part of the InVideo IO crew. Now, let's talk about making those money-making videos. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The first thing you need to do is choose a template. InVideo IO has tons of templates for all sorts of videos, from YouTube videos and Instagram stories to Facebook ads and even birthday greetings. Pick a template that suits your style and the kind of video you want to create. Once you've found the perfect one, click on it to start editing. Section 5, let's make a video. Now comes the fun part, adding your own personal touch. You can customize the template to your heart's content. Change the text, add your own images and videos, or choose from InVideo IO's massive library of royalty-free stock footage and music. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. The more creative you are, the more engaging your videos will be. And remember, you can always preview your work as you go to make sure it's looking exactly how you want it. Section 6, AI to the rescue, video creation made easy. Remember that cool AI feature I mentioned earlier? Well, get ready to be amazed. InVideo IO's AI tools are designed to make video creation not just easy, but also incredibly fun and efficient. Imagine being able to create professional quality videos without needing any prior experience or technical skills. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. InVideo IO's AI tools can help you create stunning videos in a flash. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves making videos, these tools are designed to save you time and effort. They have an AI text-to-video generator that can turn your words into captivating visuals. This means you can simply type out your script, and the AI will automatically generate a video that matches your text perfectly. Just type in your script and watch the AI work its magic. It's like having a professional video editor working for you around the clock, ensuring that your videos are always top-notch. They also have an AI video editor that can help you with things like resizing your video for different platforms, removing background noise, and even adding subtitles. This means you can create videos that are perfectly optimized for any social media platform, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. It's like having your own personal video editing assistant. No more struggling with complicated software or spending hours trying to perfect your videos. With InVideo IO's AI tools, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. So why wait? Start exploring the endless possibilities of AI-powered video creation today. Section 7. Polish your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to give it that final polish. This is where you add those finishing touches that make your video pop. You can add transitions between scenes, animate your text, and even throw in some cool effects. Think of it like adding sprinkles to a cupcake. It's the little details that make all the difference. Take your time, experiment with different options, and don't be afraid to get creative. Section 8. Download and share. Spread the video. Joy, congratulations, you've made a video. This is a huge accomplishment, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Creating a video takes creativity, effort, and dedication. Whether it's a short clip or a full-length feature, you've put in the work, and now it's time to celebrate. Give yourself a pat on the back. That's amazing. Take a moment to appreciate the journey you've been on, from brainstorming ideas to editing the final cut. Every step of the way, you've learned and grown as a creator. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Think about the impact your video can have. It can entertain, inform, inspire, or even change someone's perspective. The possibilities are endless when you share your creativity with others. InVideo IO makes it super easy to download your video in various formats and resolutions. Whether you need a high-definition version for YouTube or a smaller file for social media, InVideo IO has got you covered. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Choose the one that best suits your needs and hit that download button. It's as simple as that. With just a few clicks, your video will be ready to share with the world. No need to worry about complicated settings or technical jargon. InVideo IO makes the process seamless and straightforward. Once you've got your video, you can upload it to all your favorite platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Each platform has its own unique audience, so think about where your video will have the most impact. Share it far and wide to reach as many people as possible. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family too. They are your biggest supporters and will be thrilled to see what you've created. Plus, their feedback can be invaluable as you continue to hone your skills and create even more amazing videos. They'll be so impressed with your newfound video making skills. Sharing your work with loved ones can be incredibly rewarding and can motivate you to keep pushing your creative boundaries. So go ahead, spread the video joy, and let your creativity shine. Section 9. Making money from your videos. Now, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for: making money. There are tons of ways to monetize your videos. You can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ads, become an influencer and partner with brands, or even sell your videos as stock footage. The possibilities are endless. The key is to create high-quality, engaging videos that people actually want to watch. And with InVideo IO, you have all the tools you need to do just that. Section 10. You can do it. So, what are you waiting for? The world of online video is waiting for you. With InVideo IO, creating professional-looking videos is easier than ever. Remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a professional video editor. Just dive in, have fun, and let your creativity flow. Believe in yourself, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Section 11. Start your video journey today. Head over to InVideo IO today and start creating your own money-making videos. Who knows? You might just be the next big YouTube star. And remember, have fun with it. After all, that's what video creation is all about.